How to draw eyes anime.
You start with 2 arcs. This is a single eyelid. Draw a narrow outline along the arc. This step is to bold the single eyelid. Then fill in black. Draw a small vertical tick at the end of the eye. Draw 2 ellipses along the eyelids. Draw a solid ellipse inside the ellipse. Draw 2 circles at the top left and bottom right. This is the highlight. Draw the pupil position line. Draw a small semicircle underneath. Shadow the part of the line above the pupil position. Be careful that the color is lighter than the pupil. Then apply a lighter shadow to the lower half. Upper eyelid plus a few eyelashes. The eyelashes at the end of the eyes are pulled out to form a small tail, plus double eyelids, lower eyelashes. A pitiful comic eye is drawn. Subscribe.